Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to deposit funds into your tofro.com account. For that, first of all, you will have to come on tofro.com and then log into your account. Afterwards, click on this assets tab in the top and now click on recharge. Recharge is basically your deposit option, so click on it. Now select the currency which you want to deposit. You will be given the options of USDT, ETH, BTC and USDC. So let's say you want to deposit USDT, so you need to select it. Then select the recharge network. You will have two recharge networks, ERC20 and TRC20. So with ERC20, it is the Ethereum network, so you will have to pay extra money for gas fees. The gas fees is very high with ERC20, so you can go with TRC20. Now you will see the associated QR code as well as the deposit address. So you need to copy it from here, and then you just have to use this a link to somewhere in your exchange or in your wallet, and from there you can basically send your USDT to your Tofro account. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to this channel and liking the video. Thank you so much for watching.